Hi, my name is Jack. I'm a personal trainer at Revolution with Dean, and I'm going to give you my top 3 tips for building muscle. Tip number 1 is time and consistency. Building muscle takes time. Training once or twice a week and then taking a week or 2 off and then coming back to it isn't going to give you any long-term results. You've got to continuously hit the same muscles over and over and over again and give it time. Weeks, months, years, give it time. Tip number 2 is progression or progressive overload. At the start of your training phase, 10 sets of chest a week might be enough, but after a year of training, 10 sets of chest just isn't going to cut it anymore. You've got to progress your sets, your reps, your weight. You'll eventually deload and then build back up, deload, build back up. Progressively overloading ensures you're always going to be increasing the sets, the reps, the weight you're doing. Therefore, the more volume you accumulate, the more you will grow over time. Tip number 3 is nutrition, potentially the most boring part and by far the most difficult part for most people. If you're trying to build muscle, protein is your best friend. You have to increase your protein to support muscle growth and repair. If you're not getting enough protein, you simply will not grow.